On behalf of the Telangana Chamber of Events Industry, I extend a warm welcome to the members of the media present over here, as well as my colleagues at the chamber. Ladies and gentlemen, it is near about 2 years that TCI has been set up in this state of Telangana. In 2014, at the auspicious hands of our Honorable IT Minister, the dynamic KTRG, our organization was dedicated to the industry in the month of August. And today, we are very happy to list out our achievements, what we have done in the past 2 years. When we started the sector, the industry, what we call today, was more or less unorganized, and there was no particular unity in the any aspect of the industry. We thought that why not we combine all the segments of this industry and make a very good garland with all the flowers that are available in our trade, in our field. We set off forming the TCI with 6 associations under our fold, with TCI as an umbrella organization. The 6 associations were the Telangana Event Managers Association, the Telangana Event Facilitators Association, the Telangana Event Caterers Association, the Telangana Sound Light and Video Association, the Telangana Event Venues Association, TIVA, and the Telangana Entertainers Association. There was a lot of deliberations when we thought of setting all this together, as to we should not exclude any particular segment of the industry, and these 6 associations together form the what we call the event industry in particular. When we set out, we were very few. When we were very few people, handful of people, around 30, 40 people together. And today, just at the fag end of 2 years, we are proud to say that we are more than 350 people in Hyderabad, and a few representations from outside Hyderabad as well. But our main priority was to get the industry in Hyderabad together, and then in the future course of our action, we will take up all the districts in Telangana. In fact, we will try to spread our professionalism, try to spread our experience to all the segments in the other districts of Telangana as well. That is about the future plans of our association. But as I was telling you, that from mere 30 people to, in a span of 2 years, we have grown to 350 people and more. Every day we have 2 or 3 people being added. One of the flagship programs that our umbrella organization TCI conducts is the Telangana Event Excellence Awards. Last year, it was the first time that we were conducting the awards, and we thought of having 50 categories with us. There were around 32 entries last year. And I am very happy to tell you, before you, that this year we have around 115 entries for the awards. And the process of awards is very simple, but at the same time, it is meticulously planned, and it is pruned in such a way that a difference between the most highly elite segment of a businessman and a small entrant is more or less eliminated, and anyone can compete with anyone in this award. That is the one of the most striking feature of this award. That is why you see that in a span of only 1 year, from 32 entries, we have grown to 115 entries. This year, last year, the awards were very well received by the industry, and we are very much thankful for the media as well, because our awards were pictured very differently and in a very conspicuous manner in all the leading dailies and as well as the electronic media.